Alright, so what's going on, everyone? Today we're going to do a video for Alibaba. It's been an extremely long period of time. You guys can see down here. Let me show you. Last time we did a price prediction was like the beginning of this year, and here it is, almost the ending of 2025, and Alibaba is definitely trading a lot higher than what it was before. So I mean, that was only 4.69%, and Alibaba at that moment when we did the price prediction, price ran all the way up to 148.32, and as you guys can tell, that would have garnered you about 72% profit. All right, so let's go ahead and get rid of that. Welcome everyone to the channel. First of all, make sure you all hit that like, share, and subscribe for more of my videos and content. This is what we do here. We just simply come through and anticipate where we suspect the market's going to go by simply looking at the price bars and volume and trying to figure out which area has the highest probability of seeing the market going up. Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about this. For Alibaba, and let's go ahead first of all get rid of these sell pockets into the market in Alibaba. We're going to clean up this chart first. So let's go ahead and delete these off the chart for Baba, and we're going to create new pockets. The first one is going to be down here. It's going to be our first buy pocket that we're going to look for, and the next one for Baba is going to be let's do one right around here. And one right there. And we're going to run a sell pocket right here now. So market currently is hitting a sell pocket, which would mean your natural reaction would be for price to begin to go down. But I'm going to show you some things that you might get that in the short term, but overall, this market here in Alibaba is definitely still bullish. It's trying to definitely show forth its strength and trying to continue to go up higher in price. Let's look at this on the monthly chart first. Okay, so you guys can tell on this monthly chart that the market here in Baba is definitely trying to go up. We got that buy signal trigger on the monthly chart, which is something that you really don't get on the monthly chart. So definitely something to pay attention to in the market for Alibaba. It looks like the market on the monthly time frame, price may try to run up here to like 165 to 181. But yeah, the monthly chart is bullish there. Here it is on the 5 weeks. Okay, look at this on the 3. It's bullish there on the 5. Here's the price action on the 3-weekly chart. Currently getting a buy on that chart on this time frame as well. Here it is on the 2. Here's Baba on the weekly chart. Again, another buy signal trigger. So I just think we need to be careful at these two sell pockets initially in the market for Baba in order for us to anticipate higher prices. I would just say, as we are seeing price hit these pockets, to be careful of increased volatility, of looking for the market to move up and down in price. Here it is on the 2. But I definitely think long term, the market here in Alibaba is definitely trying to go up higher in price. So let's go ahead and get rid of this sell pocket right here though. We'll get rid of this one. And we're going to try to target this next one for Baba. Okay. And you can see that that will give us around maybe 7% at the high of that sell pocket to 5.82 at 146.52. I'm going to try to target that point. And let's look at the market around like 20% for it to hit that next sell pocket. Let me go ahead and straighten this up for you all a little bit better. So we'll create one here. And right there, you can see that there's a gap right there for BABA from 2021 during November time frame. The market could potentially try to fill that gap, even though it's not really a gap. So it's like 21% move to the upside that this market in BABA could potentially try to run towards. So let's see. That's pretty much it. There's definitely a lot of strength being seen on multiple time frames. And when you see that combined with the volume that came through the market the last 2 days in BABA, it kind of lets you know that more of the market is buyers than there are people willing to sell the stock. And they're trying to absorb or accumulate as many of this stock as possible, because apparently they got a long-term view or midterm or short-term view that the market is going to go higher from where it's currently being traded. So that's it. So going to look forward to the market in BABA go higher. Let me mention this though, this gap. Okay, so market may just hit this gap and then begin to go back down in price, because matter of fact, let me put that on the chart just so you guys can see it as time goes on. Okay, so that's that gap there. So when you look at our idea looking for BABA to go up, this is that gap right here, 150 to 160, 126. So we'll keep it like that. Okay, so that is it. I am done. Let me know your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profit. And as always, trade different.